HEPA filters are known for serious cleaning power, but how long do they actually last? I'm Miranda with Simply Filters, and today we're breaking it down simply. Most HEPA filters last anywhere from 6 to 12 months, depending on how you use them. If you're using one in a vacuum or air purifier, check the manual because it might vary. But here are a few things that wear them out faster. Pet hair or smoke in the home, high pollen season, hello spring, and running your purifier 24/7. Think of a HEPA filter like a sponge. It can only soak up so much before it's saturated. After that, it stops filtering effectively and might even push particles back into your air. Hey, if you made it this far in this video, let me know in the comments. Have you ever used a HEPA filter before? And if this was helpful, tap that subscribe button so you don't miss tomorrow's tip. See you there.